can hear me clearly and see my screen. Yeah. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Functional Technicals. As we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities you can get from the market. At the same time, you guys get to see more of my strategy, how I get my entries, my exits, and all. Yeah. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, fundamentals today, as we all know, we have NFP today. Let's see, by 1:30 p.m. And there's this whole thing I think I tell you guys most times during NFP, and there's this whole pressure that comes in NFP that we all want to trade it. Do you understand? Like you feel like it's that, I don't know, but like make or break, but it's not by force. Do you understand? If you don't have a strategy that is hinged on fundamentals, then don't sit back and relax and take the day off. You understand? Don't go and lose your money on top something that you don't really understand. Anyways, let's jump on charts and see what we can grab. So looking at our charts here, yesterday ADSD pushed down, very nice downtrend. We are basically creating lower lows and lower highs. Created another lower low, and then now we're kind of like consolidating. But if you look at this critically, it looks like a shift in market structure, but I've not broken this level yet, so it's not a shift yet. So we basically pushed below, went up, and then we failed to retest these lows here, and then now we're basically pushing up. So the moment we actually break this above, it will actually look like a shift in market structure. That would be actually a shift in market structure. So you get. But till then, we are still bearish. So I'll be looking at this levels here. I think this one, yeah, and this high here, because if the market breaks this one and continues to the downside, then it's basically a continuation of the downtrend. But if we break above, that will be like a shift in market structure. So we can look for that retest. But at the same time, yeah, I want to say something. Look at this range. Where did AUD react from? It did not react from anywhere. It's basically just reacted from this side here. It did not tap into the 50s. So another thing that we can see here, this price break above this level, come maybe to around the 50% Fibonacci, and then just reject from there. So at the same time, once price break above this level, watch and see how it behaves around these golden ratio areas, and see, yeah, if you see some strong rejection, some strong bearish rejection, then don't take any buy when price gets to this level. Even when price breaks up here, yeah, and then it's retracing slowly and gets to this level, if you don't see any bullish sentiment, yeah, don't enter. Do you understand? If you don't see any bullish entry criteria, don't enter. Leave it. Do you guys understand? So now let's go to NZD-USD. Yeah. NZD-USD has been sweet. This move happened in the night. That's what annoyed me, because this was around 1 a.m. Before it was a week around 1 a.m. I don't know. So anyhow, I saw this break yesterday. I was actually waiting for that request, and then we kissed the 50%, very sweet. Just rejected, nice entry criteria, and then we flushed to the downside. Yeah, but this was at night, so I did not catch it. It's Esther that's always at night. Esther, did you catch this? Did you catch this sell? Is Esther around? Esther, did you catch the sell? Because most times anything that happens at night, I don't think you've ever left a trend alone when you see an entry criteria. Oh no, you didn't. Okay. So this morning, yeah, we have a break to the downside. And then now we're retracing. And if we drop our fee, we just tapped into the 50, and then we're just going deep into the 0.6 levels. Yeah. So now let's see if we're going to have an entry criteria here. If I have an entry criteria here, then we can take that sell. Yeah. If I have an entry criteria here, we can take that sell. We can take that sell around these levels, and then stop loss above the entry criteria, and then target this lows here. That's what I'm looking at NZD-USD. Oh, okay. They're waiting for next week. That's nice. So that's basically how I'll be looking at NZUSD. So let's just pay attention and see if we're going to get any entry criteria. If we don't, then watch out for these highs. Once we break these highs to the upside, then we're shifted structure. We're shifted from the bearish market towards the bullish market. Yeah. At the same time, if we break this low, then we are continuing the trend. So that's those are like the things to pay attention to on NZUSD. Okay. Then Euro USD. Euro USD has okay. Yesterday there was this whole setup I missed on it. You can see I even set an alert on Euro USD. We basically pushed up and this was we had this whole break to the upside, and then it was like a shift in market structure here. This was the buy that I took yesterday, and then I exited here. Now, immediately I exited here, something happened within 15 minutes. There was this whole massive rejection candle. Look at this bearish rejection candle. But then, I don't know, I think it was the whole, I don't know, should I call it joy or something, that I exited this trade before it actually like came to the downside. I was like, okay, let me not pay attention. Let me not pay attention to the candle downwards. I was like, okay, let me see things do get, because most times when this kind of candles form, it was a very nice rejection candle. Like I think this is like the perfect pin bar. This is like a perfect pin bar. Long tail body and then no down tail at all. Do you understand? But then I just contemplated it for a while and I was like, okay, I'm not taking it. And then we had like a massive sale after that. So I think I journaled that. I wrote that next time if I see this kind of thing, I'm not going to let it slide again. And then I was afraid of this side, this level here. I was like, okay, maybe price will just start inside there and then come back up. That was another thing that I not taking. So, but it was a very nice setup, and then it just flushed down since then. So we broke below, not just taking, we not take just this low, but then we took up this one too, and then now we're retracing. So if we drop our feed, yeah, we drop our feed. Let's see, we drop our feed from top to the bottom. We're just tapping into the 50s now. And we can see that this level is around the 50s. This one is actually the extremes, almost, okay, it's just this 0.7 is just above it a little. So basically what I'll be doing is to watch, I'll pay attention to this from here to here, I'll pay attention to it and see. If I see any bearish sentiments here, then I'll be taking that sell and then targeting this low here. Yes. Most times when price do this kind of stuff here, if it's coming to the downside, sometimes it will not actually touch the wick. So most times I exit before the wick. So I exit with the body, not the wick. So that's how I'll be looking at it. That's how I'll be looking at Euro USD today. Watching out for this whole levels here, this whole area around the breaking range and above, just under this neckline here to see how price will be. Then GBP USD. GBP USD. Same thing. We broke below. I got my pick. This was this morning. I was paying attention to it. Okay. So this area here, that's what I'll be looking at on GBP. I'll see if I can get that retest here. If we get that retest here, then we might see that very nice push to the downside. So that's how I'm looking at GBP USD. Let me set an alert around this area here and see that retest. Price is actually pushing into these levels now. So let's see. This is the 8 o'clock candle. Let's see how these things behave. Yeah, let's see if we can have that whole push and leave them standing positions to the downside. Is there any other? I've looked at all my pairs. Is there any other pair you guys want me to take a look at before we go? What questions do you guys have? Hope you guys understand the analysis. Okay, before you guys drop this, is there any pair? Because I've finished looking at mine. Someone wants, okay, GJ. Realtek GJ. Do BP, don't really JPY. JPY first. JPY first. I think I promised you guys that I was going to look at that short retracement strategy each for ups and I've not started. Wow. Okay. You can see one before you still have shifted. Yeah. So we basically have this whole push and then pull back, push and then pull back. We tested this level straight to break and then now we broke that nothing to the upside. Yeah. Dropped to one. It's basically a shift. We have already shifted. And take this as the whole range. Nah. We had this whole push and then we pulled back a bit. And then now we took the whole wow. So from my perspective, like for me, yeah, I'll take this whole thing that's the relationship. This is what we say. And almost this is basically what I'll do. I like the golden ratio. But then as you can see, the structure that was broken is above the golden ratio. So we can see, watch out and see if price will come back to these levels and then tap here and then create an entry criteria. Then if it gives us any entry criteria, then we'll be taking that back to the upside. So that's basically how I'm looking at it. Any other thing? Um, Esther, congratulations on your MFF. It's really nice seeing, I don't know, but it's really nice seeing those type of results. It's really great. And keep doing the great work you are doing. You understand? And then I want to welcome everybody to this session. Yeah, thank you guys so much, especially Ryan. I was not expecting to see him, but thank you very much. Oh, Ryan is not here again. For you guys that don't know, yeah, I think Ryan is on the official One True Forest group. Yeah, Ryan was like one of my tutors before I like became strong in forex. So that's why anytime you see him on the group chat, I'm always answering boss, because he was one of my tutors that year. And then for those of you that have not joined this thing, the the group, the group chat, the link is in the chat section. I'm going to paste it again. Yeah, use the link to join the group. Because I think from tomorrow I'll not be sending the link to the what's it called? To the mastery class again, because I'm no longer tutoring the mastery class. I've been shifted to another wing of the academy entirely. So I'll not be working in the mastery class. Any other questions before we go? Okay. In the absence of any other question, I'd like to thank everyone for attending this session. Please keep an open mind with the markets. If you don't see your setup, don't trade it. And today is NFP. Please don't feel the pressure to trade NFP. Do you understand? If you see a setup, trade it. If you don't see a setup, sit out. Do you guys understand? Don't come and risk your money to do something that is not worth it. With that said, take care of yourselves, guys, and I'll catch you guys next week on Tuesday. Thank you guys so much. Later, guys.